Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Life English Pro. Today's super exciting topic is daily routine of rich people.
Oh yes, Sarah. We're diving deep into how billionaires and millionaires structure their days. And trust me, it's going to be hilarious and full of English phrases you can steal for your own life.
Exactly. Understanding this topic is super important because it helps you practice real-life English conversations, learn new vocabulary like productivity hacks, morning rituals, and work-life balance. Plus, it might just inspire you to upgrade your own routine. Imagine sounding fluent while chatting about success.
And who knows, maybe after this episode, you'll stop hitting snooze and start hitting the gym like a boss. Or at least pretend you do.
Before we jump in, if you're loving these fun English conversations and want more every week, please hit that subscribe button right now, smash the like button, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an episode. We're growing Life English Pro together. Thank you so much.
All right, let's get rich. In English, at least. Sarah, tell me, what time do you think rich people wake up?
5 o'clock in the morning, Leo. Can you believe it? While we're still dreaming about weekend lions, they're already up.
5 a.m.? That's not a wake-up time, that's a punishment. I thought rich people paid someone to wake up for them.
But seriously, the phrase crack of dawn means exactly that, super early. Rich people love saying, I rise with the sun.
Rise with the sun. Okay, listeners, repeat after me. I rise with the sun every day. It sounds so fancy and motivational.
Exactly. Now, first thing they do, meditation or journaling, not just scrolling phone like us mortals.
Wait, scrolling phone is my cardio. Rich people meditate? I tried that once and fell back asleep.
Leo, you fell asleep during meditation? That's called napitation. But rich people use the idiom clear your mind. It means remove all worries before starting the day.
Clear your mind. Got it. So they sit quietly for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, I clear my mind by eating cereal straight from the box.
Next up, exercise. Rich people don't just go for a run. They say, I crush my workout.
Crush my workout? That sounds violent, like the treadmill insulted their mother.
Exactly. Crush it means do it perfectly and with full energy. Example, today I crushed my morning HIIT session. HIIT means high intensity interval training. Write that down, learners.
HIIT? I thought that was what my bank account does when I see the bill. High intensity instant tears.
After exercise, breakfast. But not normal breakfast. They have avocado toast with a side of ambition.
Avocado toast? I once put avocado on bread and it slid off and ruined my shirt. Rich people probably have a chef who cuts it into perfect little stars.
Yes, and they use the phrase fuel your body. It means eat healthy food to give yourself energy. I fuel my body with protein and greens every morning.
Fuel my body. Okay, that's a great expression. Poor Leo here fuels his body with leftover pizza at 11 a.m.
Now comes the work part. Rich people don't go to the office, they dive into deep work.
Deep work? Sounds like diving into a swimming pool full of spreadsheets.
Deep work means focused, distraction-free concentration. No TikTok, no WhatsApp, just pure productivity for 3 or 4 hours straight.
3 hours straight? I get distracted by my own reflection in the laptop screen. Oh, look, handsome Leo is working hard.
They also schedule power hours. That means the most important tasks done when your brain is strongest.
Power hour. I like that. Listeners, try saying, my first power hour is from 7 to 8 a.m. It sounds so professional.
After that, they take strategic breaks, not random scrolling, intentional short rests.
Strategic breaks? My breaks are when the Wi-Fi dies.
Exactly. Rich people say, I recharge my batteries. It means rest to get energy back. After 2 hours, I recharge my batteries with a quick walk.
Recharge my batteries. Perfect phrase. Mine recharge with cold coffee and regret.
Lunchtime. They don't eat at their desk. They have mindful meals with business partners.
Mindful meals? I eat mindlessly while watching cricket highlights.
Mindful eating means focusing on every bite and enjoying it. Rich people discuss deals while eating grilled salmon.
Wow, I thought rich people just sat around counting money and saying, I'm rich. This sounds a lot more organized.
Afternoon is for networking or masterminds. Mastermind means a group of super smart people sharing ideas.
Mastermind? The only mastermind I have is my group chat that sends memes at 3 p.m.
They use the expression leverage your network. Leverage means use something to get bigger results. I leverage my network to grow my business.
Wow, that's advanced English right there. Say it with me, everyone.
Then comes the second wind. That means a fresh burst of energy in the afternoon.
Second wind? My second wind is when I realize I forgot to eat lunch and panic order food.
Rich people schedule creative time. No meetings, just thinking big ideas.
Creative time. I have that too. It's called staring at the ceiling wondering why I'm like this.
Evening routine starts with family or hobbies. They say, I disconnect to reconnect.
Disconnect? I tried disconnecting once. My mom called 5 times in a row.
Disconnect to reconnect means switch off work to be present with loved ones. Beautiful phrase, right?
Then dinner. Healthy, early, and calm. No late night biryani for them.
They practice gratitude journaling before bed. Gratitude means saying thank you for good things.
Gratitude? I journal, thank you for surviving another day without spilling tea on my laptop.
Rich people sleep by 10 p.m. They call it protecting your sleep.
Protect my sleep? My sleep is under attack by mosquitoes and neighbors' loud music.
Whispering. They use blue light blockers and say, wind down routine. Wind down means slowly relax.
Wind down routine. I wind down by falling face first into bed at 2 a.m.
And that's their full day. But wait, there's more. Let's roleplay a rich person's morning so you can practice speaking.
Okay, I'll be Mr. Billionaire Leo. Ready? Good morning, world. I rise with the sun, crush my workout, and fuel my body.
Wow, Mr. Billionaire, what's next?
And I dive into deep work, leverage my network, and recharge my batteries like a boss.
Perfect. Listeners, pause and repeat that whole sentence. It's a full paragraph of rich person English. Now let's make it longer. Imagine a whole week of rich routines. Monday is strategy day.
Tuesday is innovation day. They say I brainstorm disruptive ideas. Disruptive means completely changing an industry.
Disruptive, like when my alarm disrupts my beautiful sleep.
Wednesday is Wellness Wednesday. They get massages and say self-care is non-negotiable. Non-negotiable means must do.
Thursday is travel day for some, private jets, and I optimize my time in the air. Optimize means make something perfect.
Optimize time in the air? I optimize time in traffic by honking loudly.
Friday is reflection day. I review my wins and set new goals.
Review my wins? My biggest win is finishing a whole bag of chips in one sitting.
Weekend? Even rich people rest, but active rest. Hiking, reading, or mastering a new skill.
Mastering a new skill. I'm still mastering how to boil water without burning the house down.
Now let's talk vocabulary deep dive. Word number 1, ritual. A morning ritual is a set of habits done every day.
My morning ritual is pressing snooze 5 times and whispering 5 more minutes.
Rich people's ritual, meditation, movement, mindfulness, the 3 M's.
3 M's. Listeners, that's a memory trick. Use it.
Next word, discipline. Discipline means doing what you should even when you don't feel like it.
Discipline? I have discipline.
I discipline myself to eat ice cream every night.
Another phrase, compound effect. Small daily actions add up to huge results over time.
Compound effect. Like how my daily procrastination compounds into weekend panic.
Rich people love time blocking. They block their calendar like it's Fort Knox.
Time blocking? My calendar is blocked by nap time and snack o'clock.
Now let's practice questions you can ask in English conversations. What's your morning ritual like?
Or, how do you stay disciplined throughout the day?
Perfect. Try asking your friends these questions this week and record yourselves. That's real English practice.
Afternoon deep dive. Many rich people read for 1 hour every day. They call it feeding the mind.
Feeding the mind. I feed my mind with reels and my stomach with samosas.
They read books like Atomic Habits or biographies. I read the back of the shampoo bottle when I'm bored.
Serious. Evening wind down includes digital detox, no screens after 8 p.m.
Digital detox? My phone is glued to my hand like it's paying rent.
Whispering. They say, I protect my peace. Protect my peace means keep stress away.
Protect my peace. Beautiful. I protect my peace by muting the family WhatsApp group.
Excited. Night routine, gratitude, light stretching, and visualizing success. Visualizing means imagining your goals happening.
Visualizing success. I visualize myself winning the lottery every night before sleep.
Motivational. And they sleep 7 to 8 hours. Quality sleep is my superpower.
Superpower. My superpower is sleeping through 3 alarms.
Wow, we've covered morning, afternoon, evening, and even weekly routines. That was a full rich person lifestyle tour.
I feel richer just talking about it. In English, of course. My bank account still says broke, but my vocabulary is now billionaire level.
Confident. Listeners, here's your homework. Write your own dream-rich routine using at least 10 phrases we learned today. Rise with the sun, crush my workout, fuel my body, deep work, leverage my network, recharge my batteries, mindful eating, power hour, strategic breaks, disconnect to reconnect, gratitude journaling, wind down, protect my sleep, second wind, mastermind, compound effect, time blocking, feeding the mind, digital detox, protect my peace, visualizing success, quality sleep is my superpower. Count them, 22 new expressions.
22! If you send us your routines in the comments, we'll read the best ones in next week's episode.
And remember, even if you're not rich yet, speaking like this makes you sound successful. English is your real wealth.
So keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep subscribing to Life English Pro.
Thank you for joining this super long, super fun conversation. We talked for ages, and now you have hours of English practice material.
See you next time with another amazing topic. Stay rich in knowledge.
Bye, everyone.
And remember, rich people wake up early, but we can wake up our English skills anytime. Peace out.